Alright, I'm back again. So I used the 5 interference colors, the blue, the gold, the green, and the red. Actually only used 4 of them on the colored A Creation Aztecs. So first I'll show you the pearlescent. Those are those 3 pearlescent panels with the Martha Stewart pearl paints. But as you can see in normal light, they're actually darker. So what I did is I kind of dry brushed the interference paint so you can see how they're look virtually unchanged. I did that deliberately. As light as possible. But now I'm going to shift just the top row. And there you go. You see the blue, you see the gold, you see the green, and you see the red. Interference colors. But only very, very faintly. Because I wanted to make sure that it was nearly invisible, as it is. You see the one under my thumb and the one beside it? Well, it's number 23. This one that is actually colored with the interference paints, but I went very, very light on them. So once again, there you go. You can see the gold, the blue, the green, the red. Just the 4. I mean, I don't know where I'm going to put the violet. Purple, but I'll do a couple purple, maybe some smaller ones, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back again. So I did a couple violets, but honestly, they don't look much different from the pink or the red. So honestly, I'm going to stick to just the 4 interference colors. Unless, of course, let's see what I have here. Interference orange, but that's orange, not gold. Gold is better than orange.